Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing your device because changing system emoji modifies core files. First, enable developer options and USB debugging, then confirm bootloader unlocked or you cannot write system. Once done, create a full backup with TWRP or a PC image so you can restore if anything breaks. Make sure battery is above 50% and that you have a stable USB cable. This prevents mid-process failures and gives you a recovery path if the emoji replacement causes boot issues. Next, you install the tools that let you replace system fonts. Flash Magisk via Recovery and open Magisk Manager to confirm root access. Then find a compatible emoji font file or a ready-made Magisk module that replaces Noto color emoji. TTF. Compatibility with your Android version is essential. Once you have the module or font, either push it into /system/fonts when mounted read-write or install the Magisk module, which injects the font at boot. Finally, apply the change and verify. Reboot the phone so the injected emoji font loads, then open messaging apps, keyboard, and system UI to confirm the new emoji render correctly. If icons look broken or the device enters a boot loop, immediately boot to recovery and restore your TWRP backup, or use Magisk to remove the module. A common failure is wrong file name or permissions. Make sure the replaced file is named Noto color emoji. TTF with correct ownership and permissions so the system can read it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.